HTML5. Today we'll cover 5 essential HTML5 tags every beginner should know to organize their websites effectively. 1. The tag is for the top section of your page or content section. It often contains navigation, logos, or page titles, helping users and search engines identify the start of each section. 2. The tag is for your site's main navigation. It's used for menus or links to key pages, making it easier for screen readers to locate navigation areas and enhancing accessibility. 3. The tag is for grouping related content. Think of it as chapters within your page. Using organizes your content, making it easier to scan and more readable. 4. The tag is a general-purpose container used to group content together for styling. Unlike, it has no semantic meaning, but it's perfect for applying CSS or JavaScript to specific parts of a page. 5. The tag appears at the end of a page or section, usually containing contact info or links. It signals a clear end to each section. These tags improve structure and readability, creating user-friendly designs.